English together.
Questions and answers.
Are you married?
No, I'm not. I'm still single. How about you?
I'm single too. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister. What about you?
I have 2 sisters. They keep me busy. What do you like to do in your free time?
I love painting and going for walks in the park. How about you?
That sounds nice. I really enjoy reading and watching movies.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't. I usually ride my bike or take the bus. It's easier for me.
That makes sense. Do you have any big dreams for the future?
I'd love to travel more and see different countries. How about you?
I want to open a small coffee shop one day. I love making coffee.
That sounds amazing. What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy pop music, especially artists like Taylor Swift. What about you?
I like her too. I also enjoy listening to Bruno Mars.
Great choice. Maybe we can go to a concert together someday.
I'd like that.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.